Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying ownership and giving Bing a roadmap. Sign in with your Microsoft account, click Add Site, and enter your root domain. Once done, pick a verification method, meta tag, file, or DNS-TXT, and complete that step. After verification, upload an XML sitemap and confirm robots. TXT permits crawling, because sitemaps and robots directives tell Bing which pages to index. Make sure canonical tags are set so Bing understands preferred URLs. Before moving on to submission, now you push content and manage how Bing visits your site. Submit your sitemap in the Sitemaps section, then use the Submit URLs feature for priority pages. This speeds index consideration. Configure crawl control to limit or prioritize fetches if your server is sensitive, and set the preferred domain to avoid duplicate content. Use the URL inspection tool to view crawl status and errors. When you see issues, repair canonical tags, redirects, or mobile rendering so Bing can index pages reliably. Finish by monitoring results and forcing reevaluation where needed. Review index coverage and crawl errors to confirm which pages are indexed and which return problems. Then request recrawl for fixed URLs and resubmit sitemaps after major updates. Track clicks and impressions in search performance to judge visibility. If pages still fail to appear, troubleshoot. Verify robots. TXT and noindex tags. Ensure server returns 200 for public pages and remove conflicting canonicals. If necessary, fix the underlying issue and request another crawl.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.